Hey guys, today we're back. Hey. We are in the hidden garden.
It's super hidden, so we can't see it.
Yeah, but we are still in the garden, so we found it in our last episode. Actually,
In the
this,
last episode, we ridden a horse.
yeah.
Oh, look, you see this, Gabi?
What?
The birds?
Where?
This one.
Oh, the bird.
It's a plane.
The bird.
It's a Superman.
It's not. Superman is not real.
So,
Okay, let's
so
go.
we're going to this way, guys.
This is only our practice of making videos, so soon we are gonna make more.
Another YouTube channel.
Yeah, so we are gonna change our picture soon in our stuff. You know what kind of thing you do? Oh my god. Oh my. It's taking pictures.
So,
Finally.
Oh my goodness.
Actually, we have been walking so much, so we gotta sit down.
Whoa.
No!
So,
Huh.
so we're sitting down. And
Yeah.
look at that thing.
We're not gonna do a face reveal yet, but she already got a face reveal.
No, I'm gonna face reveal you.
So that's her. With a snakey on her. Yeah, I have my snake in my pocket. It's just pretend, you know.
So that's scary statue.
Yeah. Last time we saw
Oh no.
Oh, that's a naked statue. That's naked. Guys, we're gonna edit this video soon, but it's gonna be already edited. But actually, we don't know how to edit stuff, so yeah, we don't know how to edit. Whoa, this is filled with people. Wow.
I want fruit shakes.
Ooh.
I want fruit shakes.
Normally, how come people can't eat fruit shakes? I mean, fruit shakes. Ew, that statue is naked. Ew.
Lilian.
It's naked. Sorry guys, but I'm kind of bad. Guys, there's fish. Let's get the fish. Just kidding. Please don't touch.
They're supposed to have a bigger
Ew.
They need to have a bigger cage. There are 4 in there.
Yeah. Poor little fishy.
So,
Someone has bubbles. Wow, those are going everywhere. Oh, those elephants. Oh, okay. Finally, we are the YouTubers once again, guys. Bye. Just kidding. No, I only want to drink. I'm only thirsty, not hungry.
there's
Oh, are we going all in circles? I think we're getting a little lost. I want Gateway. Look, Gateway to Paradise. Hey, let's go closer to that.
Gabi, what are you taking a picture?
Gateway to Paradise.
Ayun o, gateway.
Come on. I'm gonna post this to YouTube. If you don't want you to be in it, then stop. Oh, I saw this before. We are going in. Oh, ew, wow.
What is that?
Really disgusting. Ew. We're going in circles. Normally. Oh, that was a naked situation. Oh, guys, there's another naked situation. Oh, there's frogs
Let me show
here.
you guys something.
Wishing well, see?
But guys, ew. This thing, I don't know why they make naked statues.
Let's show it. Come on. Let's show
Okay.
it.
Okay. We've been looking at dollars everywhere, but we couldn't. So we actually really found some in this garden. Normally we only have pesos because we are still in the Philippines. Not there. We actually saw them right here. Guys. I told you, this is real.
Look,
Dollar.
The
Dollar. All we have is pesos.
see, there's a dollar. Yeah, look, there's 2 more dollars.
What? There's so much dollars. People have been putting dollars here.
Dollars. So that
Do you have dollars?
100.
Do you have
That
dollars?
cost us 150.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna get 150, you know.
Now what's this? It's not a peso again. Look.
But it's not a peso, not a dollar. Is it a dollar?
This is not
Money
a
from
peso.
Thailand.
This isn't a peso, Bill. What? This is really weed. Weed? Guys.
Goggles. Look at it. It has goggles.
Wait, where?
Look at the top of its head.
It has goggles. The coins are the goggles, guys.
Guys, look.
But guys,
$1.
guys.
$1.
One.
There's $2. So that
Wow.
is $150. And then we saw another dollar, which is 200 now.
This
Real
is cool.
dollar.
Let's get the dollars. So we're gonna show it. So we're gonna. No, we want the dollars. We wanna be rich. We wanna be rich. These amazing cool dollars. $1. Okay. These dollars look amazing, guys. Look at this. It's so realistic. Because it is a dollar. It is a dollar.
$4.
We want these dollars. Come on. I want those dollars. Can you please give me the dollars? Someone should let us get the dollars because we want to be rich and we are the YouTubers. So, for no reason.
Get the dollar.
Yes, I want the dollars. Give me the dollars. I think there was Americans here. We're YouTubers, alright? There's so much dollars. I wish
Look
I
at
could
this
get the
one.
dollars. Wow, it's so fancy. Oh my god. Oh, I want those dollars. I want to
This
get.
dollar.
I'm gonna get that dollar. I'm gonna get the dollar.
No, you can't.
Just kidding. This is where your donations
We'll show you the other
go.
dollar is, guys.
Guys,
We'll show you something which is
too
really
much
big.
dollars. Too much dollars, alright?
We'll also show something to you guys which is a big. Don't tell what it is.
Big.
okay? Really big.
Yeah. It's, I don't
Can't
know.
tell it yet.
But guys, remember earlier we found the naked person who looks like it's twerking?
We'll show you it.
We'll show you now, guys. We'll show you now. This is where it is. It's a naked
guys,
person.
Let's show the garden.
Yeah, sure. Where we found the garden. I mean, this is a really long video, guys. So hopefully this turned out well.
Don't show it over there yet. We're gonna show the dollar.
Okay,
We're gonna show the dollar.
so show the dollar.
So that is
Is
the dollar.
right here. Drop
And
here,
then
drop here.
over here, the big thing.
Ooh, there's a candle. The big of all time we found.
It's a big jumbo fish.
Bum bum bum. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera. It has a weird like bumpy on its face. I don't know what that. I don't know what that is.
Well, let's get out of here. Try to find our parents because we're lost.
We're kind of lost, guys. We have been going in circles already, and we have been an hour here. What's this? What's this?
It's this.
Is it real?
Maybe.
I think it is. Nah, it's not. Give me a fortune. Wait. They look incredibly disgusting. Why are they naked? Why do people make naked statues?
Okay, let's go.
Guys, normally the truth is, in our language, we are, say it,
Philippines.
just like raw wasabi.
This is raw, guys. Be careful, you might drop the phone.
I'm careful, you know. Hopefully we don't drop this phone. It's really expensive. So guys, that's the end of the video. This video we're gonna see on part 2 soon. And bye.